Hi, and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use disqualify reason. When you disqualify a candidate in Recruitee, you have to choose a disqualify reason. Disqualify reasons allow you to stay consistent. They also provide insight into your candidate database when you use the disqualification reports. In this video, we'll show you how to create disqualify reasons, use them for one candidate or several at the same time. To create a disqualify reason, click Settings. Then, in the Workflow category, click Disqualify Reason. This is where all predefined disqualify reasons can be found. To create a new one, scroll down to the bottom of your list and click plus Add New. Enter the reason and click Save. If you want to add several reasons, click Save Another to automatically save the one you entered and start adding another one. You can also add an automated action to this reason. Automated actions are triggers to speed up your recruitment process. To learn more about automated action, check our Help Center. You can also edit a disqualify reasons with the pen icon on the right. Now you've created a disqualify reason, let's open a candidate profile. Click the button for the job you want to disqualify the candidate for and select the reason. To disqualify several candidates at a time in a pipeline or on your candidate page, tick the relevant candidates. Then, click the disqualify icon in the bulk actions menu. Choose one of the reasons in the window before clicking Disqualify. If you can see a light in bold next to a reason, a window will warn you an automatic action is about to take place for all your selected candidates. But you can also choose to disqualify without the action taking place.